Step by step, how to create a brick effect with the use of ATLAS Cermit N100. Step 1. Render preparation. Make sure that the substrate is stable, dry, then primed with ATLAS Cerplast. ATLAS Cerplast is available in over 400 colors corresponding to ATLAS SAH Render and Paints color palettes. ATLAS Cerplast priming mass for renders improves render adhesion, provides even color foundation, strengthens substrate. The brick mortar is imitated by ATLAS Cerplast, hence it is important to match the two colors of render and the primer to your desired design. Step 2. Template. Once ATLAS Cerplast dries, stick templates to entire surface to be rendered firmly, one next to the other. Pay special attention to where templates touch. Be as precise as possible. Step 3. Render application. Apply the product with a smooth stainless steel trowel. Keep the coat thickness at aggregate grain size. Smoothen the surface with a trowel, working in one direction. Collect material excess, put it back into a bucket and remix. Render ATLAS Cermit N100 allows for creating brick effect, both natural and weathered, on facade. The product is available in recommended colors. Render is stain, dirt resistant and elastic. Step 4. Texturing. Depending on the expected effect, the rendering coat can be textured with the use of tools and various application techniques. Brick effect. To obtain smooth brick effect, smoothen the render down with a trowel, work in one direction and keep your trowel at a low angle. Remove the templates carefully. Weathered brick effect by paintbrush. Finish partially dried render with a paintbrush, then smooth it down with a Venetian trowel. Work till the desired effect of the weathered brick is obtained. Gently remove all templates right after. Weathered brick effect by trowel. Immediately after application of render and using trowel for texture, remove all templates carefully. Additional effects. ATLAS Beitzah. To color and additionally seal Cermit N100, apply ATLAS Beitzah with a paintbrush or a roller. Then, depending on the desired effect, leave Beitzah to dry or remove excess with a rubber float or sponge. ATLAS Cermit N100 allows for creating beautiful brick effects of a facade. Various application techniques and unlimited color range for joints allows for the creation of unique designs. Thanks to ATLAS, you can obtain durable and decorative effects like timber effect, stone effect, sandstone effect, concrete effect, and metal effect. See more at www.atlas.com.pl/en.